honor and vengeance in my heart. My family name is my legacy, and I will guard it at all costs. And I am a man who will kill Fortunato and lure him with a rare wine called Amontillado. The man who always insult me, and the one who betrayed me. The man who always... I am a master of duplicity, and I won't hesitate to use my cunning to achieve my goals. Remember my name, as it is written in the darkness of Montessori catacombs. A dark tale of revenge unravels in the creepy underground catacombs, belonging to the family of Montresor, the place where I lured Fortunato to a rare wine called Amontillado, which fell into icy, dark tunnels